Hello and welcome to Blinkbid. Blinkbid allows you several different options when choosing how to set up the numbering system of your jobs, invoices, and advances. In this video, we are going to go over the different options we support for establishing a numbering system. With Blinkbid, you can manage your job invoice numbers at the personality level, on a job-by-job basis, or at the account level. To set up your job invoice numbers by personality, from inside a specific personality, go to Settings, and then Document Appearance. Notice the job numbers and invoice numbers have two different sections you can customize. Here you can take a look at and decide what you want your next job and invoice numbers to be. After you press the blue Save button, the system will automatically apply the consecutive number to a new job. Also here, you have the ability to add customary prefixes and suffixes for further organization. If you would like your job invoice numbers to be universal across all personalities, everything under the same numbering system, you can set that preference under My Accounts, Job Invoice Number. You can also change the job or invoice number inside the job at any time. Blinkbid also gives you the ability to apply an advanced invoice number. This numbering system is managed in the Advanced Invoice feature when creating an advance. To access, go inside a specific job and from inside the Estimate module, click on the hamburger menu and select Advance Invoice. The system automatically imports the job number into the Advanced Invoice Number field, which can be changed as needed and which will print on the Advanced Invoice document. If you have any questions, please check out our knowledge base at blinkbid.com/help. If your question is not answered, please click on your account name in the top right corner and send support a message.